Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with Hostinger AI Builder. First, navigate to the Hostinger website and select the AI Website Builder option. You will then be prompted to describe your website's purpose, industry, and desired features. The AI uses this information to generate a unique, personalized website draft in about 1 minute. This initial setup saves you significant time and effort, providing a strong foundation for your online presence. Once your initial draft is ready, it is time to customize the design. The Hostinger AI Builder offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to effortlessly rearrange sections and elements. You can change color schemes, select from hundreds of fonts, and adjust layouts with just a few clicks. This flexibility ensures your website perfectly reflects your vision and brand identity, making it truly unique. Now, let's enrich your website with compelling content and powerful features. Easily add new pages, such as an About Us section, a portfolio, or a blog. If you plan to sell online, integrate e-commerce features to manage products, payments, and shipping. The builder also includes tools to help optimize your site for search engines, improving its visibility and helping potential visitors find you more easily. With your design finalized and content in place, it is time to launch your website. Connect your custom domain name to give your site a professional address. Before publishing, preview your website on different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your new website will be live and ready to welcome visitors from around the globe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.